So hello guys, how are you? Welcome back again to Tech Custom. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. As you can see, this is the MIUI NFS 12.5 version F1.4 beta. As you can see, this is the latest port available. As you can see, this is the latest build and the latest port for Redmi 5. You will get Android version 10 in this ROM. No Android 11 is released till now. Let's check the whole specification. This is the latest security patch. This is the only March security patch. Today we will review this ROM. I will check all the features. I will not check all the features of this ROM, but I will check all the change logs of this ROM and all the other bugs of this ROM and other main features of the NFC. And you can easily log into the MI account. It works perfectly. And here is the NFS settings where you can customize your MIUI 12.5 with more features. If you want it, you can install it. Install this ROM based on MIUI 12.5 for more and more features. As you can see, you will get many of the features. If you want a full features review, you can check the previous video. I will link will be in the description. You can check the description. So as you can see, here are some of the customization change logs in this ROM. Here you will get the status bar style. You can change the status bar style from the NFC settings. It is available. Dual network icon is also available. That is working perfectly fine. I have fully tested this ROM. Battery style is also working. You can change it to MIUI 12 previous MIUI version also. Panel style QS styles is also available. You can change it. It works perfectly fine without any problem. Asian color, you can change the Asian color also. Custom logo is also available in the status bar. As you can see, here you will get the custom status bar. These all are the features of the custom status bar. As you can see, here is the custom status bar icon. As you can see, you will get all the features here. If you want it, you can customize it according to your use. Here is the custom logo is also available. As you can see, custom logo on the status bar, so you can change it according to your use, whichever you want. Network style is also available. Custom logo, network style, change switch icon, LTE to 5G is also available. Let me show you the 5G icon network settings. I have already searched this change switch icon LTE to 5G. It is not available in the custom status bar. I have fully searched it. As you can see, network setting, there is no option to enable it. 5G. This is the network speed only, traffic network speed. So it is not available 5G. It is not showing to me. And here is the custom display. Custom display is also available. Anti-flickering mode, ignore accidental touches on the edges is also available. Reduce animation, you can reduce the animation whichever you want. Beauty camera for WeChat video calls is available. Hide notch, you can hide the notch also. These all are the features, change logs of this ROM. This is the NFC. These are the NFC settings. Only the NFC settings. You can get the clear speaker, do not disturb, profile video, go back to. As you can see, you can check it according to your use. All the change logs or the NFC settings features will be written in the description. You can check the description also. And what's new here is the what's new changes. क्या change हुए हैं? We will able to see what are the changes of this ROM. These features are fully optimized right now. You will not feel any problem while applying it or any lag. OPSI style 21 clock header. Let me show you this one. Clock header style 21. As you can see, it is added successfully. OFC style 30 custom logo in header is also available. Switch size, status bar lock, 4 stock icon size, or as you can see, these are the features. These are the changes of this ROM. Set column tile panel, these all the features. Custom display is also available. So edge effect is also working perfectly. Control change paddings, status bar left to right, you can change it. Note edge effects work after reboot. You have to reboot your device to work to use the edge effect. As you can see, show edge effect screen. If whenever you face this problem, you have to check this notes. As you can see, change panel MIUI to OSP, change QS styles on off, and more. So these all are the features, change logs of this ROM. Right now, let's get back to the device. As you can see, clocks, whenever I change the clock, whenever I have changed my clock's header style to 21, as you can see on the lock screen also, there is some problem in the clock. As you can see, it is automatically hidden. Oh, these are the NFS parts. You can check the previous video of this ROM. And here is the home screen. There is no changes in the other features of the MIUI 12.5. All the changes I have already discussed. As you can see, always on display. Let's check the always on display of this ROM. Always on display. Let's wait. Let me change the schedule also. As you can see, here is the always on display. It is working perfectly fine without any problem. We will also check the Call of Duty performance, but Antutu 3D benchmark test is not working in this ROM, so I will not able to test it. And let's get back again. And sound is working, vibration is working perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, sound is working, vibration for tap sound, vibration on tap is light is not very good, you will not able to feel it. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock also. So as you can see, you can easily apply the face fingerprint of your device without any problem, and the vibration is also working in the fingerprint, and fingerprint speed is just amazing. But there is some issue with the animation right now, as you can see in the video, but right now it is working perfectly fine, as you can see. So fingerprint speed is just amazing, lightning fast fingerprint speed. While applying the face unlock, camera is a bit laggy. I face the lag in the camera while in the face unlock. As you can see, let's check the speed of the face unlock. Face unlock speed is right now it is not good enough like fingerprint. Fingerprint is just lightning fast. Face unlock is not lightning fast, it is little bit slow. So as you can see, fingerprint speed is just amazing and the face unlock speed is not amazing. I don't like the face unlock speed. As I have already told you that the Truth benchmark is not working in our device in this ROM, so I will not able to show you the results. And let's check the whether our safety net is passed or not. So as you can see, safety net is not passed in this ROM. It is default not passed, and this device is not rooted, not pre-rooted. There is no option of the Magis manager. Our Play Store is certified, so don't worry. And here are the few applications installed in this ROM. So now let's check the camera performance, whether the camera is working or not. Camera is not working in this ROM. As you can see, you will not able to open the camera in this ROM. Camera is not working. I have already rebooted my device, refreshed this ROM, but camera is not working in this ROM. So there is some problem in the camera application, or there may be I have already cleared my data for stop it, but it is not working. Let me show you again. As you can see, let me turn on it. As you can see, camera is not working in this device and the Geo is working, Volt is also working. Now let's add the Call of Duty performance, and here you will get the OTA updates, from where you will get the OTA directly. You can install it, so don't worry. You will get the change logs also. You can see, check the change log, what are the changes in of this ROM of this new latest security patch. Right now there is no update available. Whenever the update is available, I will show you. Now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM. So as you can see, this ROM is not really good for gaming. As you can see, you will feel the lag in this ROM. As you can see, fail to join match, the game is over. You will when you want to play the game, you will join the game. After the game is over, your game will be launched. So this ROM is very laggy in gaming performance, so I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. And for daily usage, you can check it according to your use, whichever you want. For gaming, I recommend other ROMs based on stock Android, like Pixel Experience, Lineage OS, many other Corvus. There are many other ROMs available. You can check it according to your taste, whichever you want. If you want the ROMs with features, or simple stock Android, if you want, you can check it according to your use. Or stock Android based on with more features is also good for gaming. There is no lag in this ROM. I really feel very bad lag, and the device is hitting very badly. Not very badly, it is hitting, but with other ROMs like stock Android, the ROM in stock Android ROMs, game is not laggy and your device will not heat. I have played in my Pixel Experience, Pixel plus UI. As you can see, lag is very much. This ROM is full of lag. You will not able to play the game, so I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. This ROM is very poor in gaming performance. Performance is very poor, as you can see. I don't recommend this ROM to. I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. So don't install this ROM. As you can see, it is very full. It is full laggy, and the voice is just stuck between, as you can see. So if you want for gaming, you can check the ROMs also. Not MIUI 12.5, not NFS ROMs. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.